You don't expect this in the middle of Central Florida. But suddenly, it feels like you've stepped into a quiet nature retreat. No rush, no noise, just fresh air, greenery, and moments that slow you down. Today, we're visiting Central Florida Zoo and Botanical Gardens, and it truly feels like a hidden escape. From shaded walkways to beautiful gardens and up-close animal encounters, this place is perfect for families who want something calm, fun, and meaningful. Kids get excited, parents get to relax, and everyone enjoys being surrounded by nature. It's not just a zoo visit, it's a peaceful break from busy park days. And after a refreshing day here, it feels even better knowing that your private vacation home is just a short drive away. Let me show you where you'll be staying. Welcome to Siesta Pool Vacation Villa. Step inside and you're greeted by a bright, open living space with cozy seating and a large smart TV. This is where everyone gathers to relax, share stories, and unwind after a full day out. For indoor fun, the air-conditioned game area keeps the energy going. Whether it's pool, arcade games, or friendly competitions, this is where laughter fills the house. Next is the fully equipped kitchen and dining area. Perfect for quick breakfasts before heading out or family dinners at night. Everything is set up to make meals easy, comfortable, and stress-free. When it's time to rest, the bedrooms offer quiet, private comfort for everyone. From the King Master Suite to the cozy twin rooms, each space is designed for real relaxation. With smart TVs and ceiling fans, everyone gets their own peaceful place to recharge. And this is where days end perfectly. Your private screened pool and spa, outdoor BBQ, and lounge area create the ultimate vacation vibe. Swim, relax, grill dinner, and enjoy quiet evenings under the Florida sky. With this attraction just minutes away from your stay, Siesta Pool Vacation Villa puts you close to nature, theme parks, and total comfort. Book your stay today, secure your dates, and turn your Orlando trip into a true family escape. Your perfect vacation starts right here.